This is a diamond painting growth chart, a perfect gift for diamond painting lovers with kids. Creative and fun designs with beautiful patterns. Dual scale for precise height tracking. High quality printing, clear symbols. Enjoyable and creative DIY experience. 2-in-1 diamond painting and growth chart. Shiny and vibrant square resin diamonds without gaps. High quality silk flocking canvas. Complete DIY kit. Everything you need inside. Peel off color labels for easy diamond storage and organization. Place wooden pieces on the back, folding white edges over them. Insert wooden pieces into scroll slots. Front side has no screw holes. Secure with screws, ensuring proper alignment. Mark 3 feet from the ground and align with the height chart. Hang and measure. Record your child's growth. Easy to store and move. Choose your favorite design and create a sparkling home decor.